It's time for a short dose of RVs. Get ready to explore the incredible Grand Design Momentum 397 fifth wheel toy hauler. Starting at front, you'll find a sleek fiberglass front cap, a robust ride pin box, and a powerful 5500 Onan Cummins generator. This unit features a 6-point auto leveling system for effortless setup. You'll find a convenient pass-through storage with light, ample space for outdoor gear, and this model boasts a triple axle chassis for smooth and stable ride. The rear features a full patio system with an electric awning and LED lighting, perfect for enjoying the outdoors. Now let's step inside. The spacious kitchen features a large hutch, a residential-sized microwave, and a 4-burner oven. There's also a generous pantry for ample storage. The living area offers comfortable theater seating with recliners and a cozy fireplace. The garage area boasts a triple insulated floor, tie-downs for securing your toys, and a convenient half bath. The master bedroom features a king-size bed, a spacious closet, and a washer-dryer prep. The 397TH weighs in at 16,290 pounds dry. Welcome to the GXV HILT, a truly capable overlanding vehicle built on a Ram 5500 chassis. This 28-foot behemoth is ready for any adventure. Featuring a robust suspension with an adjustable ride height and comfort levels, the HILT conquers any terrain. Large 41-inch tires mounted on a 3-piece beadlock wheels provides exceptional off-road capability. Access the spacious interior via a set of powered steps. A heavy-duty bumper with a powerful winch ensures self-recovery in challenging situations. Inside, discover a thoughtfully designed living space with a comfortable dining area that converts into a queen-size bed. The galley boasts a well-equipped kitchen with an induction cooktop, microwave, and a refrigerator-freezer combo. The HILT is powered by an advanced energy system incorporating solar panels, a powerful alternator, and a 30-amp shore power connection. This ensures you're always ready for off-grid adventures. The climate control system features automatic temperature regulation, ensuring comfort in any weather. With its impressive features and rugged construction, the GXV HILT is the ultimate overlanding vehicle for those seeking the extraordinary. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the brand new 2024 Lance 805 truck camper. This is Lance's lightest model yet, designed specifically for half-ton trucks. Weighing in at just 1,647 pounds dry, the 805 offers impressive features without compromising on weight. You get options like an air conditioner, backup camera, electric awning, and even a solar panel. This camper is perfect for half-ton to 1-ton series trucks with a 5.5 to 8-foot bed. It offers ample interior space with a comfortable queen-size bed, a well-equipped kitchen, and plenty of storage. The 805 features durable construction with lightweight materials and boasts impressive headroom. It's packed with thoughtful details like USB ports, 110-volt outlets, and even a built-in JBL speaker. And let's not forget the innovative exterior features. You'll find electric jacks, a convenient patio light, and a unique storage area along the sides. Overall, the 2024 805 offers a compelling combination of lightweight design, impressive features, and a competitive price point. It's a fantastic option for truck campers looking for a versatile and enjoyable outdoor experience. Get ready to experience the freedom of the open road with the 2024 Scamp Lite travel trailer. Designed with weight in mind, this innovative model opens up RVing to a wider range of vehicles. With an incredibly low tongue weight of just 150 pounds, it's essentially a tent on wheels that eliminates the hassle of a traditional setup. Let's take a closer look. Notice the vibrant color options available for the lower body. 6 colors are offered, including the classic white. And check out those stylish baby moon hubs. They add a touch of classic retro charm. Now let's explore the interior. To keep the weight down, acrylic windows are used, and both water and propane systems have been eliminated. You'll also find fewer overhead cabinets for a more streamlined interior. But don't worry about storage. Ample space is available underneath the bed and dinette. Plus, the front couch cleverly converts into bunk beds, with the top bunk rated for 150 pounds. The Scamp Lite features a wider than usual bed for enhanced comfort and a flat countertop for easy meal preparation. Most importantly, this design allows for towing by smaller vehicles such as CRVs, RAV4s, and Foresters. Today we're taking a look at the Adventure 80 RV Truck Camper, a Canadian-made masterpiece designed for the most discerning adventurers. With over 53 million kilometers of experience and a half a century in the truck camper industry, Adventure Manufacturing knows how to build a camper that can withstand the harshest conditions. The 80RB is built with laminated Phylon exterior and solid wood cabinet doors, ensuring long-lasting durability. Equipped with a propane furnace, air conditioner, and screen door, you can stay comfortable in any weather. The 80RB comes with a 100-watt solar panel and a solar controller, allowing you to boondock for extended periods. You get a well-equipped kitchen, a dining area that converts to a sleeping space, a wet bath with a shower, and a comfortable queen-size bed. Additional features are a power awning, provides shade and protection from the elements, wireless happy jacks to make setup and take down a breeze, and a skylight which adds natural light and ventilation to the interior. Adventure truck campers are built to last for generations. With a 3-year structural warranty and a commitment to quality materials, you can be confident that your investment will pay off for years to come. If you're looking for a truck camper that can take you anywhere, the Adventure 80 RB is the perfect choice. With its durable construction, comfortable amenities, and off-grade capabilities, the 80 RB is ready for any adventure. Learn more about adventure truck campers and find your nearest dealer at Fraserway RV in Canada or a local dealer if you're in the USA. Here are some other RV-related videos.